Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your headphones keep being undetected by your OnePlus 15R smartphone. So if you're using a USB-C kind of wired headphones, then of course begin by cleaning the USB-C port of your device. Use a soft brush to do this. Do not use any metallic tools or nothing that can get stuck in here or break anything inside. So yeah, basically if we outrule everything we don't want to have here, the only option is some soft brush. So gently clean your USB Type-C port and then restart your phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe the circle to the top, and in the meantime I recommend checking your headphones with some other device. So check if they work with another smartphone, and if they work with other smartphones they should as well be compatible with your device. If not, we can still go for more troubleshooting. If we go to settings first of all and wait until our smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, we can check for any available system updates, software updates. So go to software updates. This is a good thing to do for both wireless and wired headphones. Check if there are any software updates for your device, and if you have some, then of course download and install it on your phone, and then try using your headphones once again. Besides, we can also try to reset our phone settings. It will not remove any data from our device, but it will reset pretty much everything else. So so all the settings, basically all the settings, all the defaults we have on our phone by default. It will reset everything to default. So the wallpaper is probably the settings we have set on our phone, the navigation style maybe, and even things like font style, size, you name it, everything you changed on your phone. But it will not touch your personal data. And to do this, you're gonna have to go to system and update, backup and reset phone, and then reset all settings and tap reset. And basically let's actually see what it does. So that you can be sure you don't do anything wrong. As I said before, yeah, it will change your navigation style. I just had the gestures navigation, and now I have these buttons. It's easily changeable, but it's not the topic of this video, so I'm gonna do it later. Yeah, and after that, try reconnecting your wired headphones and see if they work. Now, in case of Bluetooth headphones, then the first thing that we should do is turn the Bluetooth on and off, or well, rather other way around, off and on again, and let our Bluetooth reconnect with our Bluetooth headphones. Before connecting your Bluetooth headphones to your smartphone, make sure to put them into pairing mode. Now, there is no one direct way to do so. You just have to make sure that your Bluetooth device starts flashing rapidly, just like let me just it seems to me just they are getting connected. No, they're not. So yeah, usually your headphones case or your headphones somewhere will have some sort of a home or a power button, which you're gonna have to hold down for a couple of seconds until they start flashing rapidly, and this will put your device into pairing mode. Then you're gonna have to select it from the list and pair. And if you cannot pair your device this way, or if you have already paired them, but you don't, for example, you don't hear no sounds, then you're gonna have to make sure that you have headphones mode enabled. Just increase the volume slightly and check which icon you see on your volume bar. Also open the mixer and make sure to increase volume for headphones. when you have headphones connected properly, you should not see, as you can see right here, you should not see the speaker in your mixer. So the speaker gets replaced by your headphones. And now, if you're having some troubles, first of all, try disconnecting your device simply by going to settings and selecting disconnect. Then reconnect to your device once again and check if it works better now. If it's not, unpair it and then pair it in the very same way that we just did it. Also, in the meantime, don't forget to charge your headphones fully, because this might also be the issue. It's one of the most common reasons for such issues. Make sure that you don't have any other devices interfering with your headphones too. And besides updating your software and restarting your phone, which we have already done, you can also try resetting network settings. Now this will, most important thing about it is that it will make you forget all the Wi-Fi networks that you've been connected to. Then it doesn't mean that your phone forgets them forever. You're just gonna have to re-enter the password to all the Wi-Fi networks that you've ever been connected to with the smartphone. So yeah, that's why it's kind of a last resort option. So, but if you want to reset network settings and resolve your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth issues, go to Backup and Reset Phone, and select Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings, and tap Reset. And then repair your Bluetooth headphones. So go back to Settings, go to Bluetooth, re-enable it, and repair your headphones. At this point, everything should be working normally. Yeah, and we're gonna have to also reconnect to the Wi-Fi. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.